And here you go.
Boy. Make 'em whistle like a missile. Bomb, bomb.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jahno, and today I'm gonna do the unboxing of Yeezy 500 blushes. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and click that bell button to get you notified whenever I post a new video. And without further ado, let's get into the video. There's no need to be bashful when it comes to the Adidas Yeezy 500 blushes. The second colorway of Kanye West's fourth silhouette with Adidas features of a premium suede and mesh upper sitting atop a chunky adiprene cushioned sole. And the shoe first dropped in February of 2018 during the NBA All-Star Weekend, and it was restocked via the Adidas site in April 2018, and that's why I got this cool Yeezy 500 blushes. And this is the traditional box. It has the 500 sign over here. There's nothing underneath here, and it has this Yeezy 500 made by Adidas, and the sizes and the barcode over here. And so it's Yeezy 500 made by Adidas. And yeah, let's open the box. And here you go. This is the Yeezy 500 blushes, or blush, what do you call it? Yeah, it has this suede over here and then leather detailing over here, as you can see. And yeah, it has this tags and the Adidas logo over here, and the adiprene or adiprene sole. And I think this is very comfy. I've seen a lot of good feedback about this sole, and by far they're loving it. So yeah, and I think this color is like a sandy brown or off-white, I think I can say. And inside it has this let me show you. It has the Ortholite, Yeezy, and Adidas logo. And underneath, you have this symmetrical type soles. And it has this mark of non-marking. I don't know what does it mean. So yeah, but I think this is a great shoes. These are the great shoes from the collection. The past was a Yeezy Drag Rat. I can't remember the name, but it's like a greeny type shoes. But this is the Yeezy 500 blush. So by far, these are great shoes, but I don't think that I'll be using this for my future outfits, because I think that this gives some duddy vibes, and this is the Yeezy 500 blushes.
Io vi chiedo pardon, ma non seguo il bon ton, e che a cena devo avere sempre in mano un iPhone. Il cane dichiara per ragno il papillon di cui